Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue with Chapter 2, Advanced Features of Excel. In our last class, we have done some features of Excel, like about charts, components of charts, different types of charts. We have done pie chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, bar chart. Okay, and we have done some steps for creating a chart in Excel and formatting. How can we format a chart? Okay, now today we will start a new topic in formatting a chart, inserting the chart title. How can we insert the title for our chart? Okay, now open page number 19 and start reading with me and watch this presentation as well as carefully. Inserting the chart title. Once you insert the chart, after inserting this chart, you need to specify the chart title. Okay, what is the title of the chart? It gives the idea about the kind of data and chart contains. Moreover, it enhances the appearance of the chart. To insert a chart title in Excel, follow the given steps. Select the chart. Click on the chart title button in the label group and then select the desired option. Okay, from drop down list and options relevant to the chart title. Then suppose you select the above chart option. A text box will appear like this right above the chart with chart title written inside it. Now click inside the text box placeholder and type your desired title, like we have done pollution. After typing the title, click anywhere outside. You can see the title is coming on the top. After assigning a chart title, you can also format it. There are two ways to format the chart title. Method 1. First, select the chart title and then click on Chart Title button. Label group on Layout tab and drop down menu will appear. You can see this menu. Select the Move Title option and then Format Chart Title dialog box will appear. This is the dialog box. Now you can format your chart title by using the available options like color, line, okay, background color, whatever you want. Now method 2 is right click on the chart title. You can direct to format chart title option from here to shortcut menu and you can see that same window will appear again like this also. Then chart title dialog box will appear and you can modify the chart title by using the various formatting options available in this dialog box. Okay, like this you can see the changes. Now next, formatting the axis. Okay, an axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or column chart is created, it has x-axis and y-axis. You can, however, customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. Follow these steps. Click on the chart to select it. First you have to click and point the mouse at y-axis. This is the y-axis. You want to change it. Formatting. You want to format this y-axis. Right click on it. Okay. Then select the Format Axis option from the shortcut. Now Format Axis dialog box will appear and Axis option tab is selected by default. Click on Fixed Radio button. You can see there is two radio buttons, auto and fixed. Now click on Fixed Radio button for minimum field and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the text box of the maximum field. Then click on Close button. The scale on the chart changes accordingly. You can see here. Likewise, change the properties of the x-axis. To insert a data label, right click on Data Series and choose Add Data Label option from the shortcut menu. Now next option is For in the formatting a chart, there is a legend also. We can format the legend also. Formatting legend. What is legend? Legend is a box that identifies and patterns of color assigned to a data series in a chart. Okay, it helps in reading the chart accurately. Legend mostly appears on the right side of the chart. Okay, you can place them anywhere in a chart area as per your choice. Now you can see, you can format the background, boundary and color of the legend. This is the legend. It will showing your chart categories. Blue color is which point indication by blue color, which point indication by green, pink color. Okay, this we can know with the help of legend. Then right click on the legend boundary for formatting it, and then select the format legend option from the list, and format legend dialog box will appear like this. And you can click on the border color tab, select the solid line. You can change the border of the legend. Select the border style tab and click on the dash type drop down list and select any style from here. Then define the thickness of the border style. Okay, how thick border you want with spin. To position the legend on the chart, click on the legend option tab. Okay, and next select the bottom radio button, then click on close. You can see the legend is coming on the bottom of the chart, and legend will place at the bottom of the chart, and required changes is also done. Okay. Now next point is formatting data series. You can format a data series by changing the bar color. You can see these bar lines. We can change the color of these bar lines, slices, and shifting their positions also. Let us follow these steps. Right click on the data series. First you have to right click and then select the format data series option from the shortcut menu. Then format data series dialog box will appear. Then click on fill tab. Choose a picture or texture fill option, whatever you want to fill in the bar. There is a texture drop down button. Select any texture from the display choice. Next click on the shadow tab and then select the desired format, the present drop down menu. Then click on close button. You can see the desired changes. The texture will come in these bars. Now next option is sorting and filtering data. Okay, what is sorting and filtering? Excel helps the user to sort and filter data as per their requirements. You can see the options in the ribbon. This is the sort button and this is the filter. Here you will learn how to sort and filter data in various ways that will enable you to analyze the information. Okay, in effective manner you can analyze it. Sorting means, what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Okay, we can arrange our data in ascending or descending order. Data can be sorted in rows on the basis of text, number, combination of text and numbers, or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work. Follow the steps to sort the given data. How can we do sorting? Open any worksheet and select the data that you want to sort. Okay, you can see the table. There is many columns. One column for roll number, student name, and for marks, English, Hindi, maths, and total. Okay, and there is 8 students over here, and we can sort the data. First, we have to click on any cell, say like B2. We have clicked on B2. Now select the sort button. You can see the sort button in sort and filter group under the data tab. the entire database will be selected and the sort dialog box will appear like this. Okay. Next, then select the field column on the basis of which you want to sort from the sort by. If you want to sort by name, if you want to sort by roll number, okay, which option you want to choose. For example, select the name field, okay, then select the values option from the sort on drop down list. Select the sorting order and order drop down list, and then by default A to Z option is selected. Okay, ascending order is by default. If you want to change, you can change Z to A option from the box, and you can check that my data has header checkbox to exclude the first row containing the column heading of your data from sorting. Otherwise, clear the checkbox to include the first row heading in sorting also. If you want to include the first heading, then click on OK. The database will be arranged in descending order. You can see it is by default A to Z, and we have changed it Z to A, descending order, and the names of students will be arranged Z to A. The sorting will be done on name field. You can also sort by more than one column. For example, after sorting by name, you want to arrange the list by roll number. Okay, to sort by more than one column, follow the given steps. First, click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box. Then a new level gets added below the first level. You can see here. Mention the column name as roll number. Okay, in first box we have choose name, and in second box we have choose roll number. Okay, then by drop down list and order of sorting as largest to smallest in the order. Okay, in the name field we can sort by alphabetically A to Z or Z to A, but in roll number there is a number, so we can sort by smallest to largest, largest to smallest order. Okay, order drop down list in the new level. Click on OK. Then you can see the changes after sorting. Now next option is filtering data. Microsoft Excel provides several ways to analyze data in a list. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view. Okay, we can filter our records. Those records we want to see, only we can see those records, and other will be hide. You can filter a list of display records that meet specific criteria by using auto filter command. Okay, we can give the condition in the auto filter. Select any cell within the database range, say D1, okay, and click on filter button, the sort filter group on data tab. Filtering rows, you can see filtering rows will be added to each field. You can see this drop down box sign over here on the field name. These arrows are used to specify the condition to filter data. And click on arrow next to the Hindi field name in cell D1. Select the checkbox of the value 85 and 98 from drop down list. Then click on OK. You can see the list will get filtered and display only those records that meet the criteria of marks, like 85 and 70 and 98. Okay children, now I hope you will understand all the points and watch this video again carefully.